Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the templates section down here underneath Creative Labs. And this is where you store your rows, sections, rows, and modules. So let's just go to one of our websites or funnels. So I'll just go to a website and we'll go to Edit Website. And we'll, right here, you can see there's a little Save to Library button. And this will save the whole entire section. Now, if you only wanted to save the rows, then you would save the row. And if you wanted just to save the text module, you would just click Save to Library. So let's just save the whole section. And we'll just call this Hero. And we can add tags here. So I'm just going to tag it with Hero. I'm just going to click Save Template. All right, so now we'll go out of Creative Builder and go back to our template section, and boom, right there. So now this is the cool part. Let's go back. So we've confirmed it's here. This is a section as it's indicated right here. So now let's go back to our, let's go to a funnel. So we'll go to funnel generator. I'm sorry, we'll go to my funnels and we'll click create from scratch. And we'll just call this just Hero, just for a test. And we'll put the description as Hero. We're not trying to do anything special here. All right, the page was set. Now we got to add a page because it's a funnel. So we'll blank page, Hero and Hero. And we'll create the page. Awesome. And it's funny because this is the image that it created for Hero, which is spot on, right? So now in here, we'll click down here, add new section from library, and boom, we'll select that. And just like that, it is now part of your site or funnel. And you can do that once again for sections, rows, or modules. You can save all three and reuse them and repurpose them. That way you're not regenerating a wheel or recreating a wheel. So that's just a brief overview of how the templates section works. So I will see you guys in the next video.